Throughout history, military forces have undertaken remarkable engineering projects that have significantly impacted warfare and civilization. From ancient fortresses to modern tunnels, these feats of engineering demonstrate the ingenuity and determination of humanity in the face of conflict. Today, we explore some of the most significant military engineering accomplishments across different eras and regions. One of the most iconic military engineering feats is the Great Wall of China. Built over several dynasties, starting as early as the 7th century BC, the wall stretches over 13,000 miles. Its primary purpose was to protect the Chinese states and empires from nomadic invaders. The Great Wall is a testament to the determination and labor of countless workers who toiled for centuries to create this formidable barrier. The Roman Empire is renowned for its engineering prowess, particularly in the construction of aqueducts and roads. These structures were not only crucial for civilian life, but also for military logistics. Roman roads allowed legions to move quickly across vast territories, ensuring efficient communication and supply lines. Aqueducts, on the other hand, supplied water to cities and military camps, supporting the vast Roman army. Masada, a fortress located on a plateau overlooking the Dead Sea, stands as a symbol of Jewish resistance against Roman occupation. Built by King Herod in the 1st century BC, Masada's engineering included palaces, storerooms, and an impressive water supply system. Its remote and elevated position made it a formidable stronghold during the Jewish-Roman War. Hadrian's Wall, constructed in AD 122, marked the northern boundary of the Roman Empire in Britain. Stretching 73 miles across the width of northern England, it was designed to keep out the Picts and other tribes. The wall included forts, mile castles, and watchtowers, showcasing the Romans' strategic and engineering skills. The Alhambra in Granada, Spain, is a stunning example of Islamic military architecture. Originally built as a small fortress in AD 889, it was expanded into a royal palace in the mid-13th century. The Alhambra's complex design includes defensive walls, towers, and intricate palaces, reflecting the sophistication of Moorish engineering and art. The Maginot Line, constructed by France in the 1930s, was a line of defensive fortifications along its border with Germany. Named after French Minister of War André Maginot, the line featured bunkers, artillery casemates, and underground barracks. Despite its impressive engineering, the Maginot Line was ultimately bypassed by the German invasion through Belgium in 1940. In response to the Maginot Line, Germany built the Siegfried Line, West Wall, in the 1930s. This defensive system stretched over 390 miles and included bunkers, tank traps, and barbed wire. Although heavily fortified, the Siegfried Line was breached by Allied forces during the final stages of World War II. The Khyber Pass, a crucial mountain pass connecting Afghanistan and Pakistan, has been a strategic military route for centuries. From Alexander the Great to British colonial forces, many armies have traversed this pass. Its challenging terrain and strategic importance have made it a focal point in numerous military campaigns. In modern times, the Channel Tunnel, or Eurotunnel, stands as a marvel of military and civil engineering. Completed in 1994, this underwater tunnel connects the United Kingdom with France, spanning 31 miles beneath the English Channel. While primarily used for civilian transport, the tunnel also has significant strategic implications for the movement of military personnel and equipment. The Panama Canal, completed in 1914, revolutionized global maritime trade and military strategy. This artificial waterway allows ships to travel between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans without navigating the treacherous Cape Horn. The canal's construction involved immense engineering challenges, including the excavation of the Culebra Cut and the creation of the Gatun locks. The Hindenburg Line was a formidable German defensive position during World War I. Constructed in 1916-1917, this system of trenches, bunkers, and barbed wire stretched across northern France. It was designed to repel Allied advances and consolidate German defenses. The Hindenburg Line played a crucial role in the latter stages of the war. During World War II, the Germans established the Gothic Line in Italy to defend against advancing Allied forces. Stretching across the Apennine Mountains, the line included fortifications, bunkers, and minefields. Despite its strategic position, the Gothic line was eventually breached by the Allies in 1944-1945. The Inca Empire's road system, known as Kapaknan, is a remarkable feat of pre-Columbian engineering. Spanning over 25,000 miles across South America, this network of roads connected various regions of the empire. The roads facilitated the movement of armies, trade, and communication, playing a crucial role in the Incas' military and administrative efficiency. Germany's Siegfried Line, also known as the West Wall, was a series of defensive fortifications built in the 1930s. Designed to protect Germany from invasion, the line included bunkers, tank traps, and fortified positions. Despite its strength, the Siegfried Line was eventually overcome by Allied forces during World War II. The Atlantic Wall was a vast system of coastal defenses built by Nazi Germany along the western coast of Europe. Extending from Norway to the Spanish border, the wall was intended to repel an Allied invasion. On D-Day, June 6, 1944, Allied forces launched a massive assault on these fortifications, leading to the liberation of Western Europe. The Berlin Wall, erected in 1961, was a powerful symbol of the Cold War. Dividing East and West Berlin, the wall was built by the German Democratic Republic to prevent East Germans from fleeing to the west. The Berlin Wall stood for nearly 3 decades until it was brought down in 1989, marking the end of the Cold War. During the Vietnam War, the Viet Cong used an extensive network of tunnels to combat American and South Vietnamese forces. The Cu Chi tunnels, located near Ho Chi Minh City, were part of this complex system. These tunnels allowed the Viet Cong to launch surprise attacks, transport supplies, and evade enemy detection. The Manhattan Project, initiated during World War II, was a secret U.S. government research project that developed the first nuclear weapons. This monumental engineering and scientific effort culminated in the creation of the atomic bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945, leading to the end of the war in the Pacific. Today, military engineering continues to evolve with advancements in technology and materials. Modern military engineers construct bases, airfields, and infrastructure to support operations worldwide. Their work ensures that military forces remain agile, well-supplied, and ready to respond to emerging threats in an ever-changing global landscape. Thanks for watching.